Welcome back. Today I'm gonna be following a Farrah Moan makeup tutorial and I'm excited. Okay, sorry. I got really giddy. It's gonna be the look from All Stars 4 when she fell during her talent show. If you're not familiar, here's a clip.
And she fell hard, bitch.
Sorry, girl. Don't mean to laugh. You can go watch this video on the RuPaul's Drag Race YouTube channel, but I'm gonna be following it for you today.
First things first, I've already taken the liberty of drenching my skin in skincare. There's nothing like, you know, a nice moisturized base to work on that'll just make your makeup look so.
I'm gonna start with the moisturizer like she did. And I obviously don't have eyebrows, so I mean I do have eyebrows, but like I shave the backs of them off, so please don't comment about it. Like if you don't understand it, you don't understand. If you're not that into makeup, you're not that into makeup, and that's fine, but I just have to shave my eyebrows. It makes it so much easier, and also I can get my eyebrows into different shapes. Or I mean that you can do that too if you have like the right kind of eyebrow, or if you like thin them out a lot. With the tails, you can go a lot of different places. You can go straight up, do a hella arch, or just do a nice, soft, subtle eyebrow. You have a lot of different options. My nose is very fucking dry, so I'm gonna put a lot right there. Okay, I need to move on to the next step. I do not have color corrector, but to be honest, it kind of looks like she's using an orange lipstick, which I do have that. Could I use that? Is that acceptable? I don't know. It's really fucking orange. Oh my god, she put it under her eyes.
I have some severe darkness going on up under these eyes.
I am yours dirty, so don't judge it, okay? This does not look like hers. Mine looks really waxy. Probably because it's lipstick. This is where she put it, okay? Like, I don't know what to say. I'm gonna blend it out with my finger like she does. We're just gonna go with it, you know? I feel like this might ruin it, but I've done a lot of failed makeup on this YouTube channel, so will it be that different? No. I just hope it doesn't look insane like it does right now. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I look like a zombie.
Now that you look terrifying.
Oh, we're supposed to set this? Okay, I got setting powder. I don't have the setting powder that she has, but I have Airspun. She uses brushes to not do what I just did. She uses brushes for her foundation, and I've never done that. So this is gonna be an experience. Bear with me, please. I don't even have a foundation brush. I mean, kind of. Dude, I guess we're gonna use this as my foundation brush. I need to clean it though. She uses kind of a tan shade for her, but I don't know if I should use my orange shade. Oh my god, it's so yellow on camera. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, dude. Okay, so she does use a beauty blender still, or the process. Okay. Oh my god. That's a lot of product. I don't like using a makeup brush for this, guys. This is not it. No bueno. I do not have cream contour. That is my bad. We'll just have to use bronzer and powder contour to really bring it together after we set it. So I'm just gonna have to use, or go to the next step, which is concealer. God fucking damn it. Sorry, that was a lot for no reason. She goes there, and the chin. You can probably hear the music in the background, and I'm so sorry, but that's just how it's gonna be. She does this shit. Triangle on her forehead. I stopped doing that. I don't like concealer on my forehead, but that's just me. So much concealer. I usually just like to use 2 dots now, but I go with the process. Go with the process. Farrah said to go in under her eyebrows and paint out where they're gonna be with concealer. So that's just what I'm doing right now. And then she blends it out with a beauty blender. Then she said she uses a beauty blender to set underneath her eye. Oh, that's a lot. And then a brush to set the rest of the face. Can you see the orange in my face? I don't know if I can. I have 3 different contour powders. That's a bronzer. Is out of the darkest shade that I really liked. That is an okay shade. Just gonna go in where she's going. Okay, girl, you need to hold up. I have not even... Where are your fucking eyebrows? I have to start with my eyebrows. How are you gonna leave your eyebrows till the last minute? Oh, I forgot to say congratulations to Farrah. She came out as trans earlier this month. Or was it last month? Either way. Congratulations, Farrah. I'm super proud of you. A magenta-y blush. And I don't have a lot of blush. But I do have a magenta blush. So we're gonna try and do that one. She just kind of lays it right over her contour. She doesn't really put it on the apples. Well, I guess her apples are kind of here. I guess we just don't have the same face shape. I'm just an idiot, I guess. Oh, fuck. Sorry, my phone had full storage, so I had to delete shit. It looks like done with the blush. I have this Maybelline Master Holographic by Face Studios. Some of the best highlight I've ever used, but I did break it. Ah! Okay, sorry.
Just to show them how smooth your Botox is.
That's iconic. Okay, so I gotta do the forehead. She does on the lip. Okay. We're baking for eyeshadow purposes, I guess. And then I also need to find a good yellow eyeshadow, which is difficult. Okay, I found a yellow shade that hopefully will work. Let's see. How do you guys feel about the background, by the way? I don't know if I like it. I don't know if it'll stay my video backgrounds, but for now it's cute, I guess. Oh my god, I completely forgot to set underneath my eyes. I like got the powder out and everything. Oh my god. Next, what's the next color?
The next color of the sunset, pink.
I got the pink, and then I'll go find a purple shade. I really don't know if this is good yet, so if it's bad, just don't tell me. Just don't tell me. Let me live in my fantasy land. You know, we'll all be happier if we're all just a little delusional. This is kind of a slay so far, honestly. Pack white. I don't know fucking where. I don't know, because I have eyeshadow all over my eyebrow already. So, under our eyebrow, she said. You know what? I don't know why I was freaking out, because that worked out pretty fucking fine, I would say. Could have been worse. Could it be better? Possibly. Okay, so I cut my crease. I gotta do eyeliner. This could fuck it all up, sis. Fuck. This one's pretty good, but am I gonna get the other one to match? Absolutely not. So I'll be back when I'm done screwing up the other eye. I don't know when the last time I talked to you was, because I kind of got distracted with talking to myself. I was having a little too much fun. But I'm going in with eyebrows. I got my fucking brow gel and spoolie. Just try and get this fucking on. This is scary. Now I just gotta replicate that shit. Jesus. Can't speak for God knows what reason. This shit is scaring me. Oh my god, I hate doing eyebrows last because of this. Okay, next she uses a pink lip. So I'm gonna be going in with my pink lip. This is a Melania lipstick in shade 63 Matte Diva. And it is a pretty good lipstick. Okay, then she goes in with a pink gloss as well. Hers is very like champagne. Like it's a light pink, which like helps mute her pink lip. Mine is not gonna do that. I just have a very hot pink lip and I'm okay with it. I think I'm finished. I don't have eyelashes like Farrah Moan or a wig or anything like that. But what do you think? How do you think I did? Picture of Farrah. I think I did pretty fucking good, to be honest. I like it. I like it. It's a pretty makeup look. Would I do this every day? Like the, what is it called? Color correcting? I don't think I would do color correcting every day, but otherwise it's pretty good and it doesn't show up. So I am happy about that. I think this makeup is pretty fucking good, if I do say so myself. Not a complete failure this time. Please check out some of my other makeup related videos. And I also have doll videos if you're interested. There's playlists and videos popping up on the screen. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button while you're down there. Hit the like button and hit the notification bell. And I don't know if it'll stay like, wow, now I just gotta replicate. I just had a seizure. Now I just gotta fuck.